Good morning, all of you. Today we have discussed about the topic MPCB norms and responsibility. MPCB is Maharashtra Pollution Control Board norms and responsibility. MPCB are the implementing various environmental in mainly including Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Some of the important responsibility, functions and power of MPCB are means to plan comprehensive program for the prevention, control or abatement of pollution and secure executions thereof, to collect and disseminate information relating to pollution and the prevention, control or abatement thereof, to inspect sewage or treat effluent treatment and disposal facilities and air pollution control system, and to review plans, specification or any other data relating to the treatment plants, disposal systems and air pollution control system in connections with the consent granted, supporting and encouraging the development in the fields of pollution control, waste recycle, reuse, eco-friendly eco-friendly practices, etc. To educate and guide the improving environment by suggesting appropriate pollution control technology and techniques, creation of public awareness about the clean and healthy environment, and attending the public complaints regarding pollutions. Then environment clearance and authorization mechanisms. Then environmental clearance for certain development has been made. The Ministry of Environment and Forest, through notification issued 27 January 1994 under the provision of Environment Protection Act 1986. Then agencies for making environment laws and their enforcement in India: Central Pollution Control Board, State Pollution Control Board, State Departments of Environment, Union Environmental Committees, the Forest Survey of India, the Wildlife Institute of India, the National Afforestation and Eco Developments Board, the Botanical and Geological Survey of India. The next, environmental laws and rules. Major environmental laws dealing with the protection of environment can be divided into following categories: water pollutions, air pollution, environment protection, public liability insurance, national environment appellate authority, national environment tribunal, animal welfare, wildlife forest conservation, biodiversity, Indian Forest Services. Then next topic is the role of NGO, non government organizations. Role of NGO. NGO का लॉन्ग फॉर्म कभी कभी पूछता है. NGO means non government organizations, NGOs in environment protections. Today we come across the various non government organizations which concerned are focused on various areas such as social issues, health issues, and environmental issues. Non governmental organization is a broad term which includes charity organizations, advisory committees, and various other professional organizations. NGOs in India are spread across the country and they have close contacts with communities. They are involved in the whole spectrum of development activities, from creating environmental awareness to undertaking watershed development, from disaster management to sustainable livelihoods, from giant forest management to giving inputs to policies. They range from clubs which encourage nature campaign to agencies which undertake research and monitoring. There are large number of NGOs in India and other countries that are exclusively working for environmental protection, conservation, and awareness. The number of these non-governmental organizations which are actively involved in environmental protection in our country, in fact, more than in any of the developing country. Increasingly, the government is viewing NGOs not only as agencies that will help them to implement and further their program, but also as partners shaping policy and programs. Then, some of the international environmental organizations are Greenpeace, Worldwide Fund for Nature, Earth First. Let us now have a detailed discussions on some of the environmental organization and their effects in the protecting environment. Then the Greenpeace. Greenpeace is an environment friendly international organization which aims at promoting environmental awareness. Then Stop It campaigns stop climate change. The extensive use of oil, gas, fuel, and other agency resources leads to climate change, which result in the global warming. In order to stop climate change, Greenpeace is campaigning on various fronts. Protect ancient forest. Many forests of the world are increased. The plants and animals are facing the threat of extinction. People living in the forest and depending on them for their livelihoods. Stop the nuclear threats. Next, eliminate toxic chemicals. Encourage sustainable trade. Stop whaling. Save the oceans. And remaining portion we will take tomorrow. Major environmental laws. Major environmental law कौन कौन से? The Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974. This provides for the prevention and control of water pollution acts. Then the money that's collect is used to CPCB and SPCBS to prevent to control pollution acts.